Lovely 9 degrees in the morning. Temperatures dropped last night. Felt good. The sun has risen. Feels really nice. And I can't believe I'm up at 6 in the morning. When you're in the mountains, you do get up early. And I thought I'll sleep late. But the morning is so beautiful. Thank you. दिल्ली में इतना डस्ट है एंड सीरियसली मेरे पूरे लैपटॉप पे यू कैन सी द डस्ट. आई हैव ओपनड इट आफ्टर दिल्ली. लास्ट नाइट आई कुड नॉट एडिट बट आई विल एडिट. आई हैव एन आवर बिफोर आई गो टू द waterfalls. So breakfast done, coffee still pending, but we found out some great cafes. So we're gonna do a lot of chilling today. So today's vlog will have a lot of chilling time. Yeah, the Himalayan is right here, but we are gonna grab something to eat because we are really hungry. So going to some good cafe to chill and have fun, wearing a sweatshirt, and guess what, it's so sunny but it's not hot. All set to go, bro. Ready? Okay, so the mask is on and obviously I'll be jumping on my Himalayan. I'm not wearing my gear because we are in the hills and there's a rule here that you cannot go beyond 25 km speed. Can you imagine? But I will keep it around 25-40. Today is supposed to be a fun day and I have this beast also with me, which is going to be fun. So let's hop on it. And I have mounted my GoPro and you guys know how I mounted it. See how sturdy it is. He's on a scooty because he was jealous that I have a motorcycle. So he's hired a scooty for $500 and we are going to a cafe which is half an hour away called Char Dukaan, very famous. So let's go. For this parking, I don't need a stand. So the police was nice. He's allowed me to park my bike here, which is really cool. Okay, so first we are going to Char Dukaan, which is very famous. Everyone's been recommending that. So बहुत भूख लग रही है. Omelette was early morning, 7:30. It looks really cool. So the next one will be this one. So I told them carry my Royal Enfield backpack because it can accommodate everything. And now she's giving her bag to Akshay to hold. Is that fair?
Yeah, absolutely.
No.
Yeah.
See, Akshay is also saying no.
I just gave them for 5 minutes. These guys are really useless.
Okay, we are useless. चलो भूख लग रही है. Let's eat something. Come on Akshay, seriously, trust me.
Memory.
अरे क्या पका रहा है बे? He says there is a waterfall. He's like, you have to leave your bikes there, right at that spot. That's a parking spot, and then you have to go. There's a trail, and once you go near the trail, he's saying there's a waterfall. Okay, so we did a bit of off-roading. I'm enjoying. These guys are having bad jokes. So this trail is so good. Like hardly any commercial crowd except for one car right here. And we're just going towards the waterfall. There's also a resort here, so we are not sure if we can shoot. I am wearing the Royal Enfield liner which comes with the Nirvik jacket. And boy, this is important. This time they made sure that the cuffs are sleek. They have 3 more extra pockets and a nice rubberized logo. I am wearing a size S so that it can snug and keep my body warmth inside because it is cold. Can you hear the waterfall? It's like right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's in that dense forest. It is supposed to be very private, and it's a beautiful one with freezing cold water which you can even drink. This adventure was fun. At least we got good trails and coffee and teas loaded in this backpack. So now camp tea, right? I said that right? Okay. It's freezing water. The ride was fun. It felt like it's 3 in the morning, but it's just what, 7 in the evening. So I thought I'll end this vlog today. And I don't know if we are staying back here or not tomorrow. Plan was to go towards Nainital, but some people are saying there is a different kind of checking and a lot of other things. So we're not sure. We're just discussing. If that happens, we'll go further, or we'll head back to Delhi because Delhi has a lot of work. And I'm still in Delhi for 10-15 days, so I'm going to explore a lot. But this was so much fun. These ghats riding in the night time was amazing. It took us exactly 1 hour, 12 kilometers, 1 hour. So you can imagine how it is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Radmoto. Obviously, we didn't give up. Now we're going for dinner. Another 6 kilometers, which is another half an hour here. Nice Nirvik liner. So really protecting me because it's freaking cold. Bye.